What's your name? And you're single? By choice or by desperation? Are you looking for a good-looking man that has a nice... No? Are you looking for an ugly man? He has to be Muslim? But what if he's not Muslim, but he's willing to become Muslim?
If he wants to become out of his heart?
If he wants to become out of his heart. No, he wants to become out of his dick. You know? It's very important. Do you know why? The dick has to want to become Muslim first. Because when you become Muslim, you have to get circumcised. The dick has to be in love, so he's like, okay, cut me for him. Any Dutch guys here volunteer? None of the Dutch guys' dick is volunteering. All the single men, please clap really quick. What's your name, Habibi? What is your religion? He's Jewish. He's already been circumcised once. Now he's going to become Muslim. He's going to be circumcised twice. I'm just letting you know, not much is going to be left. Now the question comes, are you willing to convert to Islam? Let's do it. L'chaim! L'chaim! The Muslim girl never thought she's going to get a Jewish man. Yes. Hit him. Sir, hi. What are you, every time I look at this guy's like this. He's sleeping. It's never happened ever at my shows. This guy came here to destroy my self-confidence. It's like, oh, he's a comedian, I'm going to go sleep in his show. What happened today?
Max, I promise you, you don't know what I've been going through today. They closed my surgery because I had a water leakage in my whole surgery, so I had to close it.
You're a surgeon? You're a doctor?
No, I'm a dentist.
You're a dentist? You know him? You have a problem with your tooth right now? You're hurting? I know the surgery is closed. I'm the biggest Habibi I've ever seen in my life. How tall are you?
6'6".
6'6"? Habibi, you ate 2 Habibis in one. How many brothers and sisters?
Just one brother, it's me.
Just one brother? That's it?
2 sisters.
2 sisters, 1 brother. He doesn't even know how many siblings he's got. Just 1 brother. Oh, you have 2 sisters. They don't count, Habibi? He's like, no, I ate all their food every day. I don't know if they're still alive. You don't want to have a girlfriend? Were you married? You got divorced? Yeah, I can tell. He married a girl, she was so short. She got neck pain.